Hello everyone, you're watching Reviving India and this is the sixth tutorial of LangChain Mastery series. So today we'll be learning about chat history. So first I would like to tell you what is a chat history. So during a conversation, when you're chatting in a conversation and the messages which are gone previously, that is called chat history. Now second question comes in our mind that why chat history is important. So I will tell you a simple situation that here we are learning LangChain in Python programming language, and during Jupyter Notebook typing some command, and during each command if I would like to tell that we are learning LangChain through Python program, we are learning LangChain through Python program, then it will not make sense. Okay, so it means that we have to maintain some kind of a context so that we should know that on which topic we are actually talking about. Now let me give you example number 2, that let's say if I will write who is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, and then after that we will be writing, can you tell me the DOB, date of birth? Then if you will set the context, then only he will give the DOB of Prime Minister of India. Otherwise it will tell that he will not remember and even don't access to the personal data. Okay, so now let's jump to the Jupyter Notebook and I will tell you how to create a chat history, and we'll see the magic that if chat history will not pass, that how the AI will respond, and if the chat history will come, how the AI will respond. So let's come with me. So here we will be creating a new notebook, 06 chat history. Okay, so we'll add some cells. Okay, so we will be actually using some previous code which we have already explained, and since you are a new user, you can just click on the link in the description so that you will be navigating from tutorial 1 to come here. Okay, so first of all we will be just copying the chat Groq. Okay, and since I'm talking about messages, okay, so in the second video or third video I've already talked about system message and human message. Okay, so we will be implementing this code from there only. Okay, and there's one more messages that is called AI message. So system message is something which is actually we have to set in the system that you have to be respond like that. Human message is something which a user will provide, and AI message is something where AI will respond on the question of the user. That is called AI message. So we will be actually copying those library also. So let me copy from multi-model, and here will be including the AI message too. Okay, now set. Now the second thing, we will be just initializing the LLM model. Okay, and now third thing, we will be just copying the while loop. Okay, so now this is our setup code. Okay, and now I would like to tell, after the model initialization we have to set up our chat history. So since we are working on a developer mode, so we'll be using a Jupyter Notebook and we're using the empty list, and when we move towards real scenario in the project, then we'll use, instead of empty list, we'll be using the database. Okay, so let me here chat history. Okay, now we have to call first set the system message. Now here we'll be writing the content is equal to, you can write anything, you are helpful assistant. Okay, I'm just running. Okay, now what we have to do once we return this helpful assistant, so we have to append this system message into the chat history. So chat history dot append, and inside that we have to write the system message. That's all. So this is all about system message. So we'll just remove this cell. Okay, now this is message is called human message. So we will be writing a human message. So here we are writing the content, and here we will be having the message, the input message that we have. And again, we will be appending this entire chat history with the human message. Okay. And now the bot. The bot is basically the AI message. So we'll be writing AI message is equal to AI message. And here we'll be having the content is equal to rest.content. And that's it. And here we'll be printing the entire chat history. That's it. Now let me run this code. You can see me is coming. So the example 2 which I told you will run those. Who is PM of India? This is our first thing. And you can see, since I have printed in the while loop every time chat history, you can see the chat history, system message, you are the helpful assistant, human message, who is the Prime Minister of India. And so we have not appended the AI message. So let me append those. Yeah. So let me stop the server and let me run again. So here we have just forget to add AI message appending. Now we'll ask who is the PM of India. So you can see, so we have the chat history, system message, human message, and the AI message, which is actually responding the AI message. Now if I ask, tell me DOP. Okay. Since you can see in the LLM we have passed only message. You can see this line. I'm just highlighted this. Okay, we haven't passed the chat history. So it means the AI will not remember the previous chat that whom I'm talking to. And if I run, it will not give me answer. You can see it is giving as an AI, I don't have a date of birth, something. Okay, but if I stop the server once again, and instead of giving us normal message, if I give a chat history instead of that, what will happen if I run this? So now I will ask who is the PM of India. Now it will give me answer, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. Can you tell me DOB? And if I run, I can see, guys, the DOB is giving 17 September 1950. It means AI is actually remembering the context of the previous chat. And that is a chat history, which is very, very important in our chat conversation. So hope you like this session. If you have any doubt, please share a screenshot or comment in a comment section. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel Reviving India. Thank you.